My name is Diamond from California Area School District, and I'm on a mission to save the bees.
My name is Eli from California Area School District, and I'm on a mission to save the bees.
I'm on a mission to save the bees.
I am on a mission to save the bees. I'm on a mission to save the bees.
And I'm on a mission to save the bees.
California Area School District is a public school district in southwestern Pennsylvania. There are approximately 900 students in our rural school district. Our demographics include approximately 90% white, 10% African American and biracial, 20% of our students receive special education services, and 50% of our students qualify for free and reduced meals. Our apiary started with one of our students, Gavin, who is passionate about bees and wanted to share his knowledge of bees and the need to preserve bees around the world. This project evolved with the question if artificial intelligence could predict beehive health. The students programmed Raspberry Pis with the high-quality Raspberry Pi camera. They then added solar power and a tube for weatherproofing of the camera and the Pi. The Raspberry Pis were first trained in the field with taking pictures of the hive entrance about every 10 seconds. The Raspberry Pi was then trained by having the students physically identify the bees in the pictures. Those pictures were then loaded back into the Raspberry Pi to train the AI system. Our goal this fall is to develop an automated counting of the bees using those pictures. The kids will then analyze the data and see if among their 4 hives, they can predict colony collapse disorder. We will then extend the project to replicate that AI system with our local beekeeper and assist him in other projects.